Hi, my name is David Browning with thinkASG. I have with me one of our top senior sales reps, Mr. Rich D. Michele. Rich, flash technology, the non-spinning disk, as storage for on-premise data center. I remember it wasn't but a couple of years ago when IBM got into that game with an acquisition of a company that was a leader in the technology.
Sure.
But it was new, it was designed to accelerate applications, it was the high end, if you will, of a storage solution. But that's changed, hasn't it?
You're right. It was only a few years ago that IBM and other disk manufacturers started to utilize SSD and flash technology for higher performing disk. At that point in time, it was so costly that people were utilizing it for tier 0 and tier 1. However, over the past couple of years, that technology has gone down in price and the utilization has gotten even higher. So the demand workload for just tier 0 and tier 1, the flash is actually becoming so cost effective that it can take over tier 2, tier 3. By utilizing compression technologies, we can actually drive down the cost per terabyte, the cost per gig significantly with flash. So a couple of years ago, customers used to think, well, I could only utilize that for my very highest performing tiers. Now they're looking to utilize that for almost all of their workloads. The cost savings of flash is much more than just the cost savings of increasing my performance. Reducing spinning disk saves a lot of room, electricity, and as our customers look at how they move their storage systems, their very large storage systems sometimes, to co-locations or outsourced locations, they can significantly save by moving to a smaller footprint of flash technology. Obviously, incredibly high performance, so increasing their performance greatly, but also, and surprisingly, reduce their costs. We had several customers a couple of years ago that started to utilize tier 0 technology for flash, and they had spinning disk behind that. We've had several customers this year that have said, you know what, I'm done with spinning disk entirely for my production workloads, and then moved to all flash on their production workloads. I think we're going to see more and more customers doing that with the advent of solutions like real-time compression that can actually significantly drive down their cost per terabyte and utilize flash more efficiently.
So it seems to me that it's complex.
It is.
To figure out how to optimize your storage spend. Is that something that we can weigh in on and help a customer to navigate the waters of?
It is. Our ROI analysis around storage looks at all of your storage, not just your block storage, your file-based storage, or your cloud storage, but everything, and looks at how you optimize those and also be able to utilize those together for more efficient workload. Engaging thinkASG around doing an ROI analysis around your storage workloads will start the discussion of us analyzing your entire storage workload portfolio. And then as part of that, we'll be able to provide you with a complete business case, business analysis of specifically for that customer, what does it mean? When should I move to flash? How much will I save? How will I do it? How will I get there? Because all data is unique. Customers are unique as well, and the makeup of their data is unique. And we have a methodology around our ROI analysis to look at their specific environment and be able to provide them with the most advantageous pricing and detail on saving their storage dollars. So when we do an ROI analysis, what other information do we look at?
So we take into consideration the ability to leverage the real-time compression, data reduction technologies out there that's available in the marketplace.
Because all data is different, right? Each customer is going to be unique.
Absolutely, and some data compresses better than other data, but we're able to really go in and take a look and give you a really good analysis on how much compression we can get out of that, and that's something that we include in this case study or in the analysis.
So ROI analysis is actually going to let you know specifically where you as a customer, where it makes sense for you to move to flash or move to technologies that can reduce your spending disk.